equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the Xiaomi Robot vacuum warranty and repair process. Today, we'll walk you through the steps to diagnose and fix common issues, ensuring your vacuum runs smoothly. First, let's gather the tools you'll need. You'll require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft brush for cleaning, and a can of compressed air. These tools will help you access the internal components of your vacuum. Now, let's start by removing the main brush. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the cover. Be careful not to lose the screws. It's a good idea to place them in a small container. Once the cover is off, gently lift out the brush and check for any hair or debris that may be tangled. This is a common issue that can affect performance. Next, we'll clean the dustbin. Open the dustbin compartment and remove it from the vacuum. Empty the contents into a bin and rinse the dustbin under warm water. Make sure it's completely dry before reinserting it. Regular cleaning of the dustbin is crucial for maintaining suction power. If you notice that the vacuum isn't charging, check the charging contacts. Sometimes, dirt can accumulate here, preventing a proper connection. Use a soft brush to clean these contacts gently. If the problem persists, it might be time to consider a professional diagnosis without obligation. Remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Now, let's address the internal components. If you're comfortable, you can open the main body of the vacuum. Use the flathead screwdriver to carefully pry open the casing. Inside, you'll find the battery and the main circuit board. Inspect these for any visible damage or loose connections. If you're unsure, it's best to get a quote before repair from a professional. While you're inside, take a moment to clean out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Use the compressed air to blow out any stubborn particles. This will help improve the overall performance of your vacuum. After you've completed your checks and cleaning, reassemble the vacuum by reversing the steps we've just taken. Ensure all screws are tightened properly to avoid any rattling during operation. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient solution. Finally, once your vacuum is reassembled, plug it in and let it charge fully before testing it out. Monitor its performance over the next few days to ensure everything is functioning as it should. If you encounter any further issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis. We are here to help you keep your Xiaomi Robot vacuum in top shape. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.